What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here, and this week vlog we went all the way to Kingston to eat some meal. So we stopped at Lucky Crab and we decided to share our experience with you guys. Now before I get into the video, I just want to shout out to Dex Media and Silicon Insider. They were the first to like and comment on my last video. So make sure guys that you go over them channel, subscribe and tell them that Ackeem Sterling sent you.
On her back. And she could potentially already have all of them.
Yeah, man. Things the same way.
So we were here waiting for a while as the food takes some time to prepare.
Yeah. True, man. Yeah.
Now the signature recipe at this restaurant is having the crab. Even though we didn't order any crab, we still enjoy our meal as we ordered jerk and barbecue chicken.
Yeah, my time I now consume like food here. A long wait, finally get it. You understand?
So guys, the food was great as we enjoyed our meal right here at this restaurant in Kingston. We had a great time. So there you have it guys, this is our experience. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. As always, I love you my viewers, my subscribers. Thanks for watching. As always, peace out.